In this video, let me show you how to fix in case you're having Wi-Fi connection problems with your Canon MegaTank G4280 printer. So if it's not able to connect to Wi-Fi, or maybe it's connecting but the connection drops and it's not very reliable, what should you do? Well, the first thing you need to try to do, and this is true for many issues with this printer and other models, is to go on the back and pull this power cable. Stay like this at least a minute and then connect it back. This is a simple restart. It won't delete anything. And I also suggest you do the same exact thing with your Wi-Fi router. Sometimes the issue is not with the printer, it's actually with your Wi-Fi router. So by unplugging your Wi-Fi router, waiting a minute and connecting it back can also solve many problems. Obviously, when you connect back your printer, it will tell you that it didn't shut off the right way. Don't worry, press OK and try again. Another thing that you can try is to do a factory reset of your printer. This can solve also many issues. You can do it by pressing the cogwheel, printer settings, go down, reset settings, and here you can choose LAN settings only, so it will only reset the Wi-Fi, but I suggest you do a full factory reset just to make sure that everything gets resetted. Maybe your Wi-Fi is not working because of another component of this printer, so press reset all, select yes, and then you'll have to reconnect the printer to your Wi-Fi network to make it work using your network. Leave a like, comment if you have any other solutions, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.